good morning and happy Father's Day, everybody, from this guy and that guy over there sitting there. Yeah. And that girl out there. What's your name again? Can you just say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Hi, yeah. See, this is what they do. They do to me, right? Or they did to me is on a Father's Day weekend, they leave all the kids with me to remind me that I'm a father taking care of all these kids. And here's another one just came down. Look. All right, yeah, he just woke up. Say hi to everybody. All right, all right. Okay, so say hi.
Hi.
All right. So, before I show you around our do-it-yourself project, just want to give a shout out to all the fathers out there, especially my dad on e-Philip. Yeah, he showed me how to do hard work, and then this COVID-19 pandemic has given me a chance to do all those work because I'm a self-employed and now no work for me. And a lot of thank yous to my District 30 reps and our Senator Claire Wilson, Mayor Jim Farrell, Johnson and Pellicciati, and all those employees at the Washington State Employment Department. Those guys are very busy, but they're doing their best. And then all of us. Oh, stop fighting! Oh my gosh, there you go. You know, that's what we do as fathers and grandfathers and stuff, right? These are all my grandkids. Yeah, love them to death. I don't know if they know that. Do you know that? Do you know that Grandpa love you guys? Do you guys know that? Okay. Oh, you don't know? Oh, I thought you do. Oh, okay. All right. You're done? You're done your breakfast? So this is what I made for breakfast. Oatmeal full of cherry and blueberries. And turn the color. All right. So where we left off? Yeah.
Apple.
Apple. Okay. Good boy. All right. All right. Apple. Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
Apple.
Okay. Apple. All right. Ooh. Thank you. Okay. And it's your mom's birthday today. You know that? You're gonna sing birthday? Happy birthday. All right. Anyway, so stay safe. We're gonna show you a little bit of our work out there in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm having a blast of a morning here with my grandchildren, and I wish you and yours. Oh, don't eat that. Come on, come on. And yours the best of fathers, grandfathers, and right, Coco? Right? Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. So please subscribe to our channel. Coco, say yeah. Subscribe to our channel. Say hi. Hmm?
Hi.
Tell everybody to subscribe to our channel. Hmm? And then they can follow our do-it-yourself project in the backyard. Right? Yeah. Right? Right, Nana? Alright, we're having fun. Yeah, fun. Yes, fun. And our koi fish are what? Are lazy koi fish. And we named our koi fish. Our koi fishes. We named Coco, Nana, and Russie, and Rosie. Yeah, and we also named them. And we also, what we did is we also named one island Inchuk Furu, and we named another one an island in Iflut called Ella. Right? Ella. Yeah, Ella. Ella. So, ooh, Ella. All right. So you guys, we'll show you just a little bit of, yeah, when we went pick up the humongous rocks for our project, and a little bit of our lazy goys. Okay? And we'll come back maybe next week or the following week, and we'll give you more updates. Say bye-bye. 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 Oh, Coco, they don't see your face. Say bye-bye. Okay, good boy, good boy. All right. All right, guys. Good morning here. So this is what I'm working on right now. So you can see I have the step downs. Yeah, I'm trying to make it as normal as possible for my fish. Hopefully I can put a tuna fish in here. Let's just kidding. I'll put a koi fish in here. So how I plan this out is I make this part deep. Let me see. I'll show you the measurement here. So it's gonna be the top. Let's see how deep this thing is. Oops. Take gravity to the work. I'm trying to sneak up on the fish, and then here you come. Roscoe is hiding over there. Roscoe. Coco. There. See?
Oh, I see it now.